on reproduction in plants. Here 4 options are given. You have to choose the correct one from them. So let's start the quiz. Question number 1. The reproductive organs of flowering plants are root, stem, flowers or leaves? And the correct answer is flowers. Question number 2. The main purpose of flowers in plant is to provide water, minerals, food or seeds. And the correct answer is seeds. Number 3. Plants reproduce from buds, leaves, stem or seeds. And the correct answer is seeds. Plants reproduce from seeds. Question number 4. The male reproductive part in flower is called as stigma, stamen, pistil or sepal. And the correct answer is stamen. The male reproductive part in flower is called as stamen. Question number 5. Which part of the flower produces pollen grains? Anther, stigma, filament or style? And the correct answer is option A. Anther produces pollen grains. Question number 6. The purpose of petals in flower is to hold anther, attract pollinators, protect the buds or none of these. And the correct answer is attract pollinators. The purpose of petals in flowers is to attract the pollinators. Question number 7. Anther and filament are the parts of ovary, style, stigma or stamen. And the correct answer is stamen. Anther and filament are the parts of stamen. Question number 8. The female reproductive part of flower is stamen, sepal, pistil or petals. And the correct answer is pistil. The female reproductive part of flower is pistil. Number 9. Which part of the flower holds the anther? Sepal, petals, filament or stigma? And the correct answer is option C. Filament holds the anther. Question number 10. Dash joins the stigma to ovary, ovules, filament, anther or style. Style joins the stigma to ovary. Option D is correct. Question number 11. What becomes the seed after fertilization? Petals, ovary, ovules or sepal? So correct answer is option C. Ovules becomes the seeds after fertilization. Question number 12. Where pollen lands during pollination? Anther, stigma, ovary or style? The correct answer is stigma. Pollen lands during pollination on stigma. Question number 13. Lily flower is which type of flower? Bisexual flower, unisexual flower, both, yeah, none of these. And the correct answer is lily flower is a bisexual flower. Question number 14. Flowers with both male and female reproductive parts are called as unisexual flowers, stamen, bisexual flowers or anther. And the correct answer is bisexual flowers. They are called as bisexual flowers. Question number 15. The transfer of pollens from anther to stigma is known as adaptation, pollination, fertilization, or none of these. The correct answer is B. Pollination. The transfer of pollens from anther to stigma is known as pollination. Question number 16. Which occurs first? Fertilization, pollination, both together or none? And the correct answer is pollination occurs first. After that, fertilization will happen. Question number 17. Unisexual flowers contains only stamen, sepal, petals, yeah, all of these. So unisexual flowers contain all of these. It has stamen also, sepal also, and petals also. In maize, the flowers are unisexual but on the same plant, absent, bisexual, or unisexual but on the different plants. The correct answer is A. Unisexual but on the same plant. Question number 19. Cross-pollination occurs in one flower on the same plant, two flowers on the same plant, two flowers of different plants, or none of these. Yes, cross-pollination means two different plants. So, two flowers of different plants. Question number 20. After pollination, ovary develops into seed, bud, pollen, or fruit. So, after pollination, ovary develops into fruit. D is the correct answer. Question number 21. Insects, wind, or water are the agents of reproduction, germination, pollination, or none of these. So these are the agents of pollination. Question number 22. Plants like Kigelia are pollinated by bats, humans, birds, or none of these. The correct answer is bats. Question number 23. Which of these is or are a pollinators? Butterfly, crow, both, or none of these? So butterfly and crow both are the pollinators. The fusion of male reproductive cell with the egg cell is called as germination, pollination, adaptation, or fertilization. And the correct answer is fertilization. The fusion of male reproductive cell with the egg cell is called as fertilization. Question number 25. After fertilization, ovule becomes a fruit, seed, buds, or none? After fertilization, ovule becomes a seed. Pollen forms a tube after landing on ovary, sepal, style, or stigma. And the correct answer is option D, stigma. Pollen forms a tube after landing on stigma. Question number 27. Number of seeds in a fruit depends on the number of pollens, cells, ovules, or null. Yes, it depends on the number of ovules. Question number 28. Ferns are which type of plants? Non-flowering plants, flowering plants, both type, or none of these? So ferns are non-flowering plants. 29. Which of the following is not a part of reproductive system in plants? Fallopian tubes, stigma, style and ovary. And the correct answer is fallopian tube. Fallopian tube is not present in plants. It is present in humans. The unit of gynoecium is called as pistil, carpel, neither A or B or both A or B. Both A and B. It is also known as pistil and carpel. Fruit develops from flowers with multiple ovules is papaya, mango, both A and B and none of these. The correct answer is papaya. Non-flowering plants reproduce by producing spores, zygotes, both A and B, none of these. So they are reproducing by producing spores. Question number 33. Seeds of dandelion are dispersed through gravity, insects, water or wind. Through wind. Dandelion are very lightweight, so they spread by wind. Liverworts and mosses plants are non-flowering plants, cryptogams, neither A or B, both A or B. Both A and B. Non-flowering plant is also known as cryptogams. Which one is a non-flowering plant? Mushroom, mango, sunflower, all of these. So here mushroom is only the non-flowering plant. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon to receive the notifications of my upcoming videos.